much blood. There was a ship.
You and your bloodlust and your hunting, we could have gone home!
Shut up, Betty! My glasses! My glasses! My glasses!
You broke them! I only have one eye now.
Yeah. Sorry. Can I use my glasses to, like, push that?
You let the fire go out. I got a pig. So you didn't help build the shelters. You didn't help catch a pig.
Guys?
What?
Can you guys slow down?
No. Shut up, piggy.
Please.
I can't believe you let the fire go out. You're not eating. You're not sleeping in the shelter. You're going to starve to death.
Guys, I'm having an asthma attack!
Shut up, piggy. How do we get up there? Climb. All right. Let's go, Jack. Back to your hunter. Let's get a move on. Let's go, Jack. Keep up. Sit up, Ralph.
Guys!
What do you want?
I'm gonna die down here.
Nobody cares. I can! I made it up here! Woo!